Over the past year and a half, I've sort of gained weight. That's how my journey started, with trying to find a solution. And HealthifyPro sort of acted like that solution that was the right fit. The CGM gives you accurate and precise data. It feels like it's part of your body. The Smart Scale gives you more than just your weight. It gives you an idea of your body mass index. My coaches took time off to understand how my lifestyle is, and having them through the journey, supporting me, was really nice. Mehak was my dietitian. She helped me make better choices over this period when I was trying HealthifyPro. Abhimanyu, my fitness coach, understood that I came from a background of already being in sports. So he tailor-made my workout regime and my plan accordingly. I slowly understood that it's a matter of building the right kind of habits. For the first time, I didn't feel like I was just alone and trying to figure things out on myself. It's become part and parcel of my life now, and it's just very enjoyable.